In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Manychat automation in just 5 minutes. If you're ready, let's dive right in and work through the process step by step. First off, make sure you're connected to the internet and open up your preferred web browser. We're going to start by heading over to the Manychat website. You can do this by typing in Manychat's URL directly or simply searching for Manychat on Google. Once you're on the Manychat page, look towards the top right corner and click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have those on hand. If you happen to face any issues with signing in, perhaps due to incorrect credentials or network problems, just remember to double check your login details or refresh the page altogether. After clicking sign in, you'll land on the Manychat home screen, where you can see a variety of options and tools that Manychat offers. From this point, navigate over to the Home tab. The Home tab provides a nice overview and serves as your control center for different features, so finding your way here is instrumental. Now direct your attention to the Automation section, which you can find in the main menu. Simply click on it. This brings you to where all the magic of automation happens. This hub is central to managing the workflows and flows within your chat system. Within the Automation section, you'll see an option that says New Automation. Don't worry, clicking it won't create anything new just yet, but will help us get to the right place for managing your flows. Clicking on New Automation will provide a foundation to begin with, so click on that. Next up, select Start from Scratch. This is a critical checkpoint where you set the stage for either editing or deactivating your current automation flows. The list you see here will give you access to various flows you've been using or developing. Now the final step involves finding the specific flow you want to stop. Once you've located this flow, click to choose either Unpublish, or if you no longer need the flow, you can choose to delete it altogether. Unpublishing is the safest option if you might want to relaunch it later. And there you have it, you've successfully managed to stop a Manychat automation. It might seem like a lot, but following through these steps will guide you smoothly. Thanks for following along, and be sure to reach out with any questions or let us know how you're winging it with Manychat. Until next time, take care and happy automating.